Hi, I would like to share my story about kangaroos. My name is Ashton Fields. I am currently in Biology 377, Animal Form and Function, at Western Kentucky University. Kangaroos are mostly found in Australia with some in New Guinea. There are 4 common species. Kangaroos often travel in groups. What are these groups called? Yes, a mob. Kangaroos tend to be very large animals, ranging from 5 to 6 feet tall. They have large ears, long snouts, clawed hands, long powerful tails, and long feet. Baby kangaroos, or joeys, are born in an early stage of development. At gestation of 30 days, the young climb into the mother's pouch. There they stay for roughly 9 months and are continuously cared for up to 18 months. Wild kangaroos typically live around 6 years and up to 20 in captivity. Signs are needed to warn drivers because kangaroos are large and fast animals. How fast are they? Typically they travel around 13 to 16 miles per hour, with an average around 25 miles per hour over a mile distance, but up to 44 miles per hour when needed. Why do kangaroos use saltatory locomotion or jumping? For kangaroos, saltatory locomotion is more efficient. They don't increase the number of hops per minute, but instead the length of each stride. They can store up to 70% of energy in their tendons, unlike humans who can only store around 20. It's because of these specialized tendons that help them jump. Hopping makes breathing more efficient also. As they jump, the body is lengthened, bringing in air, and as they land, it is pushed back down. However, if a kangaroo isn't moving long distances, they'll use a pentapedal locomotion, where the forelimb and tail form a tripod to swing the hind legs forward. Australia has dry and fertile country with vegetation spread over large distances. Kangaroos use their efficient hopping to travel from vegetation patch to vegetation patch. Thank you.